Hello everyone, welcome to BFSC Fisheries online class. Today we are continuing with the fish population dynamics and stock assessment. And in yesterday class, as we talked about, today we will be talking about the mortality parameters. So we have to know here in reducing the stock. We are seeing that some stocks are reducing. These are actually because of the total mortality factor. So total mortality is the factor that reduces the stock, and it is divided into two types, that is natural mortality and the fishery mortality, or due to fishing mortality happens, so it is called fishing mortality. So total mortality we have to estimate, and for the estimation of total mortality there are some formulas which we have to learn, so to know or to calculate something. So mortality here are the loss, and these are the loss of stock, and this is two type of mortality: fishing mortality and natural mortality. Natural mortality, according to a scientist named as Tyrrell in 1962, has given a formula that the total loss of part of the population due to natural or fishing causes is denoted by Z. Here Z is the instantaneous mortality, we can say that. But we have to know here the difference between the instantaneous mortality or the mortality rate. Instantaneous rate of mortality are simply known as mortality or usually mortality, but the mortality rate are something different. If we use the percentage of the died individual to the population at the beginning of the year, is said to be as mortality rate, and it is different from instantaneous mortality. सो हम लोग को यहाँ पे पता करना है कि मोर्टेलिटी रेट और इंस्टेंटेनियस मोर्टेलिटी डिफरेंट है दोनों. इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट ऑफ मोर्टेलिटी का मतलब है Z से हम लोग उसको डिनोट करते हैं, जहाँ Z इज इक्वल टू F+M होता है यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन था. और यहाँ पे मोर्टेलिटी रेट का मतलब होता है, अगर हम लोग परसेंटेज की बात करें जो भी डाइड इंडिविजुअल है उसका, और जितने भी पॉपुलेशन बचे हैं बिगनिंग से ईयर में, तो हम लोग उसको जो उसका डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसका मतलब होता है मोर्टेलिटी रेट, और यही हम लोग को इसमें मेनली जानना है. सो टू एस्टिमेट वी हैव टू नो द इक्वेशंस. हियर वी हैव the mortality rate can be denoted by D, and it is 1 minus S, where S is the survival rate, and we have to know here the equation. So first it is application of the mortality parameters. How we what are the application of mortality parameters? There are mortality parameter application like included in the mathematical yield models to predict the yield level. So we have equation here. We will knowing it, and this equation we have to know to predict the yield level in a population, and it is also helpful in bioeconomic studies. Bioeconomic studies means like if we are to know about the future of some population of fisheries, then it is helpful. Input data analytical model, Beaverton and Holt model, and we have to know if the estimate the maximum sustainable yield, then these data are useful. So these are the application of mortality parameters. Here the mortality rate is different from instantaneous mortality. We have already talked about. The mortality rate are the rate at which the animals are removed from the population by death, and is a parameter of population, and it is not of a individual, since instantaneous mortality was for the individual and not for a population. So these points are important to know. Here some are equations useful that we have to know here for the calculation of mortality and survival rate, where Z is the instantaneous mortality, NT is equal to N0, E minus ZT for time T if we have to calculate, then this is a equation, and where S is the survival rate. E minus Z, if we are knowing the Z value, we can calculate S, that is survival rate, and A is the annual mortality rate, or we can denote it by D also. So these equation we have to learn. Similarly, some scientists have given the age composition data, where we have to calculate this. If we are knowing these all equations, we can calculate anywhere the mortality rate, which is useful for the population dynamics to know. Here Hitchings method or Jackson method, these are the method which has given some equations to learn. So these are useful to learn. And if we are having number of population for different ages, we can also calculate S for different ages, and this is shown here. For the natural mortality, K and L infinity is useful to know. K is the coefficient of like coefficient factor. We have already studied in yesterday class, like earlier class we have studied. You can check my playlist of population dynamics and stock assessment. We have talked about K, L, N infinity. If we have K value higher, then mortality value will also be higher, since they are correlated. Like if we are having fishing mortality is 0, if there are no fishing, then F equals to 1, and if F is equal to 1.5 to 2, there many fishes can be caught. And K is actually dependent with the mortality value. So these we have to know here somewhere. Like objectives usually come for this. Like if K value is high, what will be the value of M? M is the mortality, so they are interlinked, so M is proportional to the K value. And large fish have few predators. This also we have to know, that large fish have few predators. So to accomplish the mortality rate, the large fishes have few predators. Fish with high natural mortality, they mature early in life. This is by scientist Richter and Ivanov. This we have to know, like we have to learn it by objectives. For estimation of M, like how we can calculate the M if we are knowing the instantaneous factor of mortality and the catchability coefficient. Catchability coefficient can be denoted by Q. Small q can denote the catchability coefficient. It means that the proportion of fish population that is caught by if we are 1 unit of fishing effort we are applying, then how much is the proportion of the fish population caught. That is can be denoted by Q, and it is actually the coefficient, catchability coefficient, or depends on the F. Here F depends on the like here it is F, it is by mistake written Q. F is actually depends on the efficiency of the gear, and it is fishing effort actually. F, the amount of fishing gear of a specific type if it is used, and the fishing ground over a given unit of time, so it is denoted by F. If we are applying the Pauli's empirical formula, there are some formula too we have to know here, and for short notes I will be giving them in my Telegram channel. And this is a small equation which we have to learn for the Pauli's formula. So whatever we have studied today was simply we have to learn all that equations for the exam point of view, because equation mainly come, and we have to know here the scientists mainly those who gave a particular equation. So this was all about the fishing mortality, the types of fishing mortality, and what are the usefulness of fishing mortality, means what are the application of fishing mortality in fish population dynamics and stock assessment. So this was all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this channel then please do like and subscribe. And if you want more lectures of any of the topic related to JRF exam, we can help you out, and you can comment here, so mention which topic you want. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.